What's up guys, Pierce here from Rhino USA. Thank you so much for purchasing our 75 PSI heavy duty tire pressure gauge. Today I'm going to walk you through what comes in the box and how to get started using it. Alright, so first things first, what you're going to want to do is pull up this card right here, it'll be in this box, and activate your lifetime warranty. All you have to do is text Rhino to 38470 or go ahead and scan this QR code. This is a lifetime warranty, you don't want to miss out on that. Second, you get an awesome little sticker. You can put this on your fridge, on your truck, on your car, anywhere you want to put it, it's yours to keep. Third, you're going to have a drawstring bag. Your tire pressure gauge will fit perfectly in this drawstring bag when you're ready to store it or put it away for good measure. Alrighty, last thing, of course, it comes with your tire pressure gauge. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use this, and let's get started. Alrighty guys, so you have your 75 PSI tire gauge right here. You're going to remove the dust cap from your valve stem. If you don't know what a dust cap is, it looks like this little guy right here. You're going to take the swivel chuck here, line it up, and press it right into there. Hold that nice and tight for a second, and then take off. So now that you've held that up against the valve stem, you'll see that this is 42 pounds PSI right here. All you got to do to release that is click this little bleed valve right here. Now you've reset it. Now, if you want to remove air from your tire, let loose some air from your tire, all you have to do is take the swivel chuck again, pop that right in there, it'll hold it, and then you just push this little bleed valve right here. Now it's letting air out. All you have to do is that. Take that off. Now it's almost at 40 exactly. It's pretty easy. Alright guys, thanks for watching.